Hello students, today we will start with new topic past adjustments or adjustment in closed account. The accounting treatment which is required to correct the past errors or omissions is called past adjustment. Means if we are forgetting to give interest on capital, charging interest on drawing, salary, commission and calculate wrong profit sharing ratio, then we can correct all these errors by passing a single adjustment entry. Because it is not possible after completing the final account to disturb all the accounts. Therefore, we pass a single adjustment entry to correct the effect of errors. Example I am giving you. Suppose there are four partners A, B, C, D and their capitals are 50,000, 30,000, 25,000, 15,000. Interest on capital is 10% per annum after closing accounts. It was discovered that interest on capital was not provided. Pass single adjustment entry. Then we need to make in solution table showing adjustment, number of partners and then total column. There are four partners A, B, C, D. You have to make four column for partner, then total column and one particular. So first of all we will provide interest on capital which we forgot to give. So interest on capital 10% on 50,000, 30,000, 25,000 and 15,000 will be 5,000, 3,000, 2,500 and 1,500. Then we make total of all these 12,000. Now you can see I have put a credit sign in front of interest on capital. This sign is very important. Now how will you identify where you have to put credit or debit? Logically, see, interest on capital is an income for partners because they are getting interest on their capital. It is an income for a partner. It will credit to partner's account. When you are preparing your capital account, then what you do? On the credit side of capital account, you show interest on capital. So interest on capital is an income for a partner and credited to his account. That's why I put sign credit over here. But you can learn it with this formula. Here is C, interest on capital C, then sign will be credit. C. Clear? Interest on capital is always credited in partner's capital account. Then you will do total of interest and the next step is total 12,000. It will be divided in profit sharing ratio of partner. Here profit sharing ratio is not given, then we take profit sharing ratio equal. There are four partners, then 1:1:1:1:1. We will divide 12,000 in 1:1:1:1:1. 12,000 divided by 4, 3,000, total 12,000. Now, if first sign is credit, then in second step we put debit. If first sign is debit, then we put opposite side credit. So first sign is very important, then second is opposite of first sign. Then third step is calculate difference of debit and credit. 5,000 minus 3,000, 2,000, here nil. 2,500 and 3,000 difference 5,000. 1,500 or 3,000 difference 1,500. Now we have to put the sign in front of differences also. How? Here difference is 2,000. One sign is credit, one sign is debit. Which one is greater? 5,000 or 3,000? Greater one is 5,000. Then we put credit sign in front of difference. Difference is 2,000 and we put the sign which one is larger. Here in 5,000 and 3,000, between 5,000 and 3,000, 5,000 is greater and sign of 5,000 is credit. So we will put sign here credit. Here difference is 500. Which one is greater? 2,500 or 3,000? 3,000. And in front of 3,000 sign is debit. We will put here debit. Here difference is 1,500. Which one is greater? 3,000. Sign is debit. Clear? Then we pass adjustment entry, journal entry. So who is debit? C and D. C is account debit, C is capital account debit, D is capital account debit to A's capital account. C and D will be on debit side and A will be on credit side. 500, 1500, automatically their total is also equal. 15 and 500 on debit side and 2000 on credit side. Total will automatically tally. Clear? In table showing adjustment, first of all you will provide those things which is not given or forgot to give. Interest on capital, CC, credit sign we will put here because these things are on credit side of partner's capital account. We will calculate interest on capital, then total. Then second step is we will divide total in their profit sharing ratio and put the opposite sign of first one. Then we will find out the difference and put the sign in front of difference by comparing these two numbers. Means between 5000 and 3000, greater one is 5000, credit sign. Between 500 and 3000, greater one is 3000, then debit sign. And between 1500 and 3000, greater one is 3000 and sign is debit. Then we will make a journal entry. Clear? One more example I am giving you. Three partners are there, XYZ, their ratio is 3:1. It was discovered that forgot to charge interest on drawings. Pass adjustment entry. And interest on drawings are given. It is directly given. You need not to calculate interest on drawing. 2550, 1850 and 1000. Then again we will make table showing adjustment. First of all we will provide which we forgot to give. Here we forgot to give interest on drawing. Then interest on drawing D and sign will be D. And logically interest on drawing comes on debit side of partner's capital account. Here you have to see partner's capital account. Biologically interest on drawing will come on debit side of partner's capital account. That's why we will put the sign here debit. D and D, debit. Interest is directly given. We will put here XYZ, then total of interest. And then second step is similar to first example. We will divide total in profit sharing ratio. Total is 5400 and ratio is 3:1. We will divide our total in profit sharing ratio and put the opposite sign of first. First sign is debit, then we put opposite sign, that is credit. Clear? Then we will divide in 3:1 and total 1500. Then find out the difference. Here difference is 150, here 50, here 100. Now this sign, which one is greater? 2700, and here sign is credit, then we will put here credit. Here which one is greater? 1850, sign is debit, we will put here debit. Here which one is greater? 1000, sign is debit, we will put here debit. Now we will make journal entry. Y debit, Z debit to X. Y 50, Z 100 and X 150. Clear? This is table showing adjustment and very important topic. There are so many questions which we will discuss one by one.